of this revenue, not the closing balance. And if there was closing balance, then what this means is that there is no activity that is expected in the municipality in this subsequent year. That is the basic interpretation, which is why I was concerned about that, Chair. Yeah. So I need to see a clear projected revenue, unless you're saying that that projected revenue is only the revenue budgeting is only going to depend on the opening balance, which is not true. Municipalities are functional, they work every day, so there has to be a projected revenue, and that projected revenue, we can only add the opening balance as a tool for the appropriation in the year that in the current year. So that is a serious misnomer. I hope the accountants will take note of that. Because when the reader called this a revenue budget, it isn't. It isn't in the sense that this is purely a closing balance carried forward. A revenue budget must have projected revenues for that particular year.
Senator Nyonka.
Chair, without us spending so much time on this issue, I just wanted to make a recommendation that the control of, the audit with the fact that they actually looked at this issue and reconsidered it.